Today we'll be looking at a YALE Mono Lock exterior door, heavy duty, with a deadbolt. This was originally patented January 21st, 1899, with last patent renewal October 30th, 1900. Today we're going to take a look at disassembling it and removing the doorknobs. First of all, you have to remove the cover plate on the mechanism. Next, there's a tartar pin retaining the inner workings. We then have to remove two U-clips that are holding the doorknobs and spindles in place. Once those have been removed, the doorknobs slide right out, and you see the groove at the end of the spindle. This is where the clip sets into to retain its the doorknob's position. On the interior side, there is also a retaining pin to keep the doorknob in place. And then finally, on the interior side of the lock assembly, there's another retaining screw that once that is removed, you can simply pull the lock completely apart to get access to the remaining interior mechanism. Reassembly is just the reverse of those prior steps. In place.
Or does that tuck underneath? Like that's where it should be.
Most of the way. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So if you lost that pin, you could be screwed though, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I feel like looking at that. Or does that tighten in there once you tighten the knob back on?
They slip into inside. There's a
All right.
Start reinserting the retaining clips. Reinstall the final retaining clip.
And that goes on top.
And that goes on top. Return the interior retaining screw. And